10 Ways to Speed Up and Improve Google Chrome. With more than 3.2 billion users worldwide, Google Chrome is a widely used web browser. However, the majority of users are unaware of all of Chrome's features. 1. Group your tabs. You can organize your tabs using this feature's ability to categorize them. Here's how to go about it. Right-click on the tab, select Add Tab to New Group. Enter the name of the group. Additionally, you can add or delete other tabs and change the group's color. Simply dragging them together will organize the tabs in the group. 2. Control music and videos using a shortcut. Videos and music can be played without closing tabs. Even if you open another tab, the media will still be playing. Click Media Control at the top right. Here you can pause and play songs or change the song. You can also choose to allow the site to play sound or video individually by right-clicking the tab. 3. Pin tabs. Tabs that are significant to you can be pinned. Even if the browser is restarted, these tabs will remain stored. To secure a tab, right-click the tab, select Pin. Only their icons will be visible as the pinned tabs shift to the left. By following the same steps, you can unpin the tab. For Mute tab, you can mute any tab simply by doing the following. Right-click the tab, select Mute. You may silence the entire website using this. The tab can also be unmuted in the same manner. 5. Set specific tabs on startup. You can manually configure your startup page so that this tab opens each time Chrome is launched on your machine. To set them, go to Settings, under Default Browser, select On Startup, select Open a specific tab or group of tabs. This will enable you to pick up where you left off with your work. 6. Task Manager. You can quickly manage your tabs with a Task Manager. You can monitor how much RAM is being used by each tab. Go to More Tools, select Task Manager. The shortcut key for opening Task Manager is Shift+ESC. 7. Moving multiple tabs. You can move the group of tabs by dragging them. Hold the Control key and select the tabs to move them. 8. Autofill data. Along with automatically filling out forms and key passwords, Autofill allows you to update payment methods, add new addresses, delete outdated passwords, and add or remove old ones. Here's how you can enable it from the settings. Go to the Settings, click Autofill and select the desired option. 9. Block notifications. Users of Google Chrome can disable pointless notifications. Go to the Settings, click Privacy and Setting and then select Site Settings. Click Notifications and select Don't allow sites to send notifications. 10. Shortcut keys. Time is greatly reduced with shortcut keys, and Google Chrome has its own set of shortcuts. Some of the useful ones are listed below. Control+1 to 8. To switch between tabs, Control+T, New tab, Control+W, close the current tab, Control+Tab, Next tab, Control+Shift+Tab, Previous tab, Control+Shift+N, New incognito window.